Now in this session of video, we are going to discuss class 12th maths chapter 1 relation and function, and today I am solving two examples in which you have to prove that the onto and 1 function. Clear? So we will see first question. Show that the function f such that natural number to natural number, it means the domain is natural number and codomain is also natural number. Given by, we have given a special condition that fx is equal to fx1 is equal to fx2 is equal to 1, and fx is equal to, the function is given to us, fx is equal to x minus 1 for every x is greater than 2. Clear? Is onto but not 1 1. So what we have to prove? We have to prove onto but it is not 1 1. So clearly from this question we have, suppose that let x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to what? We have given 2. Clear? So fx1 is equal to what we have given? 1, and fx2 what we have given? Again 1. So according to this question, fx1 is equal to what? fx2, but clearly seeing that x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 2, so x1 is not equals to x2. So we have learned in my previous videos that we have taken two elements in set B, that these two are equal, but we prove that these two equal elements are not equal, they are different elements. So in that case we can say f is not 1 1. Clear? So now what we have to prove? Onto. For onto, first I have told you that you have to select an element. So let's select y is any element from codomain n. Codomain. And codomain is a set of natural number. And now we put this y is equal to fx. So we know that y is equal to what? Fx. And what is the fx? Fx is x minus 1. Clear? Y is equal to now what? X plus x minus 1. Now we'll find the value of this y in terms of x. So what we get? X is equal to y plus 1. Clear? So clearly when we change the value of y, and y is a natural number, so you will get another value of x which is also natural number. So we can say for every y is an element of natural number codomain, there exists x. For every y there exists a x natural number from domain. For every y, y belongs to natural number, there exists a domain. Hence, we can say f is onto. What is the condition of onto? I can explain this by an example, but this is you have to written on your board examination. For your clarification, we have two sets. Natural number, it is natural number. Clear? So this is elements containing, suppose that I suppose x, and these are containing y. So what? We are getting a relation x is equal to y plus 1. So if I take x is equal to 1, if I take y is equal to 1, so you get 2. If you take 2, you get 3. For 3 you get 4. For every value you have a pre-image. So what is the definition of onto? Every element from codomain you must have a pre-image in domain. Clear? So I hope it is clear to you. We move to the next question. In that next question, show that function. Now in this case, see this carefully, that the domain is real number and codomain is also real number. So you know that real numbers are all possible values. Rational number, irrational number, negative, integers, decimal numbers, all are real number. Defined as fx is equal to x square is neither 1 1 or nor on 2. Clear? Okay. So for solution, we find first of all 1 1. We have to check this function is, we have to prove that this function is not 1 1. Clear? So what? We let again x1 and x2 are two elements. x1 and x2 are two elements, belongs to real number, and that is domain. Clear? So put up that, and also what we have to select two elements, fx1 and fx2 from R. R is codomain. Clear? We have discussed yesterday in my previous video, x1 x2 two elements, fx1 and fx2 are two elements. To proving 1 1, we have to suppose these two are not different, they are equal. So what we are doing, fx1 is equal to fx2. Clear? Now what we have a given function, fx is equal to x square, so we can let them x1 square is equal to x2 square. Clear? When we remove the sign of we are taking square root, so we get x1 is equal to plus minus x2. Clear? So x1 is not exact to this. The x1 is equal to plus x2 and or x1 is equal to minus x2. It means x1 is not equals to x2 clearly. So we are suppose fx1 is equal to fx2, and finally what we proved, x1 is not equals to x2. Therefore f is not 1 1. Clear? Next is that we have to prove onto. Similarly, to proving one onto, we have to select one element from set B. This can be written as y. Y is equal to fx. So y is any element from real number codomain. We are selecting from codomain, and what next step? We put up this value, the given function y is equal to fx is equal to what? X square. Now we converting y in terms of x square, so we get x square is equal to y, further x is equal to under root y. Clear? Okay. Now it is clear from the given relation that these two are the set of real number. So real number is containing some negative elements also, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, 0, plus 1, 1.2 and so on. Similarly this one, 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 1, 1.3, 1.4 and so on up to infinity. Clear? Just look at that in this case. If I put up the value of positive 1, so we get some result. Suppose that I am putting y is equal to, I am supposing that it is 4. So what do we get? 2. So is that 2 exit in this case? Yes. So we can get for 4 there is 2. If I put up all positive values, so we get some results in real number. But what happened if I put up minus 2? If I take y is equal to minus 2. So what happened? You get x is equal to under root minus 2, and minus 2 is not a real number, it is a imaginary. Clear? So have you seen that if I take all positive values, so we'll get some results in relation in this real number. But if you're taking negative values, so what you are getting? You are getting imaginary number. It means for every negative value, it does not have contain any. If for every negative value there is no pre-image. Understand that? So it is not onto. The definition, according to the definition of onto, what? Every elements of set B must have a pre-image. So in this case we will see that there is a pre-image for only positive real numbers, no pre-image for negative real numbers. So we can conclude that for every y belongs to real number codomain, there exists only pre-image of positive real number. No pre-image contain for negative real number. So it means the negative real numbers are remaining vacant. Clear? So we can say that finally what? F is not onto. Clear? So we have proved that F is not 1 1, also F is not onto. Clear? In next video I will give you some more examples. Thank you for today.